Good de France is an important event because it's global. We are 10 restaurants across the Philippines who participate on this. About it's for celebrate the French cuisine. Okay, so the concept is everyone do this in 150 different countries on the 5th continent. It's for 24 hours. 24 hours we will serve French cuisine and celebrate French cuisine around the world.
This year, it focuses on socially and environmentally responsible cuisine. In this, great honor and value will be awarded to the chosen restaurant, and as it is to be judged by the best French chefs.
Good de France, being an event known globally, it is an opportunity to showcase to the world the knowledge and skills that Vatel Restaurant Manila here at De La Salle College of St. Benilde has to offer in the field of culinary expertise.
It's bring to De La Salle College of St. Benilde and Vatel Manila the big visibility from event around the world because everyone watch what's happened, what they do, and many people are curious about what we will do also here in Manila. The theme this year is mostly about what we call reasonable cuisine. It's been we are more cooking with local produce, like for example the soup. I introduced the Quezon putti, the seafood, about the prawns. It's not many schools who are part of this event. It's what is interesting, be part of this event. Good luck to all the participants and welcome at Vatel Restaurant Manila and bon appétit.